Okay. Good morning, students. Different expressions to calculate the power. In previous video, I explained two cases. In third one, power to pull a body. Power to pull a body. Third one, power to pull a body. Power to pull a body. Let us consider a body. Let us consider a body of mass m. In the force acting in the direction makes an angle theta with the direction of the motion. In the direction of the motion. Let us consider a body of m. Some moment of force f acting on it that makes an angle theta. A force makes an angle theta. That force makes an angle theta. So it is force that makes an angle theta. Now, if S is the displacement traveled by the body in time t, here S is the displacement in time t. Here S is the displacement traveled by the body in time t. Now the power equal to here work by time. We know that power equal to here work by time or work done by time. So here work done equal to, we know that work done, because of theta is given, work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Therefore here power equal to Fs cos theta by time t. It is another expression. Fs cos theta by time t. Fs cos theta by t. It is another expression for the power. Okay. Fourth one, power to lift a body against gravity. Fourth one, power to lift a body against gravity. Okay. Let us consider a body of mass m. Body of mass m, small m, lifted from the surface to a height h against gravity if t is the time taken by the time taken to lift the body, then the power can be calculated by the following expressions. Listen once again. Let us consider a body of mass m is lifted from the surface to a height h against gravity. If t is the time to take it to the lift the body, then the power can be calculated by the following expressions. Listen. It is a surface. Following expressions. Listen. The body of mass m is capital M or small m. It is the surface. It is the body of mass small m is lifted to a height h up to here. Here height is h, lifted to a body to a height h against gravity. So a force to lift a body we require force. To lift a body we require force. So here force equal to mg. To lift a body we require force. That force equal to mg. That force equal to mg. That force equal to mg. So here power equal to work done by time. Here power equal to work done by time. So here power equal to work done by time. So work done means here force into S by T. Here S equal to H. So here S equal to H, force equal to mg. Therefore P equal to mg into H by T. So that equal to power equal to here mg H by T. Mg H by T. It is the power expression for lift a body against gravity. Against gravity. Against gravity. Listen once again. It is a body of mass m. Okay, it is lifted to a height h from the surface against the gravity. It is lifted to a height h. It is lifted to a height h against gravity. against gravity. To lift a body, we require force. Force equal to here mg. So power equal to here work done by time. So work done equal to, we can write F into S. The product of force and displacement is called power. Sorry, work done. The force, the product of force and the displacement is called work done. So F into S by T. So here force equal to mg, but here S equal to how much here? S equal to H. So in the place of F we can write mg, the place of S we can write H, that equal to mg H by T. So power equal to here mg H by T. It is the another expression for the power. Okay, next one, fifth one. Power of a body moving with a velocity. Power of a body moving with a velocity. Fifth one. Power of a body. Power of a body moving with a velocity v, moving with velocity v. Okay, again it is considered a body moving with a velocity of v. If force is the if F is the force applied to stop the body, then the power of the body is given by the following expressions. Listen. Let us consider a body of mass m moving with a velocity v, moving with a velocity v meter per second. Moving with the velocity v meter per second. If F is the force, F is the force applied to stop the body, then power of the body is given by the following expressions. Here there is another body of mass m is moving with the velocity v. If F is the force applied to stop the body, then the power of the body is given by the following expressions. Okay, following the expressions. Then here work done equal to, so here power equal to work done by time. Okay, work done by time. So we can write work done means the product of force and displacement. So work done equal to here W equal to F into S. So power P equal to F into S by T. F into S by T. So that velocity equal to displacement by time. But here V equal to S by T. So from the above equation we can write P equal to here force into S by T. Force into S by T. So here S by T means here we can write V. So power equal to here force into velocity. Power equal to here force into velocity. So power equal to we can write F into V. So here P equal to F into V. The product of force and velocity is also called power. The product of force and velocity also called power. These are the different expressions to calculate the power. To calculate the power. Okay, ma. Now I will explain an example model power problems. First one, a radio set of 60 watt runs for 50 hours. 50 hours. How many units kilowatt hour of electrical energy are consumed? Electrical energy consumed. So here we want to here calculate the electrical energy in kilowatt hour. So first we should convert the power of 60 watts into kilowatts by dividing it by 1000. So here power is given. So what are the given values here? Power equal to 60 watts. 60 watt. So this value convert into 60 kilowatt hour. So power equal to here 60 into 1 by 1000 kilowatt. That equal to how much here? 0 0 will cancel. That equal to 0.06 kilowatt. Here power equal to 0.06 kilowatt. But here time is given. Here T equal to how many hours? 50 hours. Here time is given 50 hours. Okay. So power equal to energy consumed by time taken. So here power equal to energy consumed by time. Here power equal to energy consumed by time. So here power equal to how much? Power equal to here 0.06 kilowatt equal to energy consumed by time. So here energy consumed by time. Here time equal to how much? So here energy equal to energy consumed equal to power into time taken. So here power equal to 0.06 kilowatt into 50 hours. 50 hours. That equal to 0.06 into 50. That equal to 3 kilowatt hour. That equal to total value 3 kilowatt hour. It is the energy consumed. So energy consumed equal to 3 kilowatt hour. 3 kilowatt hour. So energy equal to energy consumed equal to 3 kilowatt hour. 3 kilowatt hour. The electrical energy consumed is 3 kilowatt hour, or we can write 3 units also. Here energy consumed equal to how much here? Energy consumed equal to 3 kilowatt hour, or 3 units, or 3 units. It is the process. Okay. Next example. Energy, electrical energy. Calculate the electrical energy in joules. Okay. Next one. These are the important models. Second one. Second example. A family uses 250 units of electrical energy during a month. Calculate this electrical energy in joules. A family uses 250 units of electrical energy. 250 units of electrical energy during a month. During a month. Calculate the electrical energy in joules. Calculate the electrical energy in joules. Okay, here 250 units of electrical energy means 250 kilowatt hour. So here 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 unit. Here what are the given is 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour. That means here 250 units is equal to how much? 250 kilowatt hour. 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So here 250 units is given. 250 units equal to how much? 1 kilowatt hour. So here 1 kilowatt hour equal to, we know that 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Okay, so we know that 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. So here how much electrical energy equal to how much here? 250 kilowatt hour. So here 250 kilowatt energy equal to, we can write 250 into 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. 10 power 6 joules, that equal to 9 into 10 power 8 joules, that equal to 9 into 10 power 8 joules. It is the answer. So 250 units equal to how much? 9 into 10 power 8 joules. 9 into 10 power 8 joules. Here 250 kilowatt hour is equal to 250 into 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules, that equal to 9 into 10 power 8 joules. So here 250 kilowatt hour or 250 units equal to what are 250 units is equal to 9 into 10 power 8 joules. 10 power 8 joules. 10 power 8 joules. Ten power 8 joules. Okay. What is next third one? This is the third one. Listen, here P equal to W by Tm. So here work done equal to, we can write power into T. T equal to work done by power. These are the formulas. Okay. Next, a body does 20 joules of work in 5 seconds. What is its power? Simple problems. A body, for one, a body does 20 joules, 20 joules of work done in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. What is its power? What is its power? Okay. So here, what are the given values? W is given 20 joules and T is given, that equal to 5 seconds. So power equal to how much? So here power equal to work done by time. Power equal to work done by time. So work done means here 20 joules by 5 seconds. Once here 4. So T equal to 4 joule per seconds. We can write P equal to 4 watt. P equal to 4 watt. Next one. Okay. Next one. What is the power of a pump which takes 10 seconds to lift 100 kg of water to water tank at a height of, it is situated at a height of 20 meters, and here G equal to 10 meter per second square. Fourth one. What is the power what is the power of a pump which takes 10 seconds to lift 100 kg of water to a water tank situated at a height of 20 meters. 20 meters. Here G equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, 10 meter per second square. Now listen. Here mass is given, height is given, G is given. Acceleration to gravity equal to 10. Listen, mass equal to 100 kg. Mass equal to 100 kg. Next, height is given, that equal to 20 meters. Here G equal to 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. The same time also given, time equal to here 10 seconds. Here t equal to 10 seconds. Then power equal to how much? Then power equal to how much? So we know that power equal to work done by time. So here work done equal to mgh. Okay. So here power equal to mgh by t. mgh by t. So m equal to here 100 kg into g equal to 10 into height is given, that is 20 by time equal to here 10 seconds. Time equal to 10 seconds. T equal to here 10 seconds. Okay, so here 0 get cancelled. Power equal to 100 into 20 is equal to 2000 watt. Here power equal to 2000 watt or 2 kilowatt. Or you can write P equal to here 2 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. 2000 watt means 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt. Listen once again. Here mass is given 100 kg. Mass equal to 100. Height equal to 20. G equal to 10. And T equal to 10 seconds. Then power equal to work done by time. So here acceleration to gravity and height is given. That's why here work done equal to mgh. So here power equal to mgh by t. So m equal 100 into g equal 10 into height equal to 20. 100 into 10 into 20 by time 10 seconds. So here 0 get cancelled. Remaining value 100 into 1 into 20 by 1, that equal to 2000 watt. 2000 watt equal to 2 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt equal to 2000 watt. So here power equal to 2000 watts are 2 kilowatt. 2 kilowatt. Okay, thank you.